Another subcategory of the beta-lactam antibiotics are the cephalosporins. So cephalosporins derivative after the penicillin development antimicrobial activity ডেভেলপমেন্টের পর পেনিসিলিন ডিসকভার হয় এবং পেনিসিলিনটা পাওয়া যায় দ্যাট ইজ দ্য এজ এ ফাঙ্গাস দ্যাট ইজ দ্য সেফালোস্পোরিন অ্যাক্রেমোনিকাম এবং এখান থেকে পেনিসিলিনটা যেটা ফার্স্ট আইসোলেট করা হয় এবং আইসোলেট করার হয় যার মধ্যে মেজর কম্পাউন্ড হিসেবে থাকে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য পেনিসিলিন cephalosporin C and cephalosporin C, that is the structure of the cephalosporin C, which is the major component of the this mixture which is isolated from the fungus Cephalosporium acremonicum. The cephalosporin C, which is contain the basic nuclear structure that is the sephem, as I discussed in the earlier class, that is the developed from the sephem structure and which is the fused ring of the beta-lactam as well as that is the 6-member ring which is the dihydroderivative, because here is the one bond is the present at the 2 and 3 position and there is the and hydrogenation at the remaining position. So that is the sulfur and nitrogen, that is the dihydrothiogen derivative which is 6-member. These two ring system are fused and to form the sephem ring structure which is the development of the cephalosporin. And cephalosporin C, it is the first isolated from the this fungi which contain the acyl side chain which is the amino adipolyl chain. This is the amino adipolyl chain. So if we deacylated this portion and this is the denoted as a R. So the R may be different in the various cephalosporin derivative and cephalosporins which is the having the main nucleus and that is the 6-ACA, that is the 6-amino cephalosporanic acid which is the contain the basic nuclear structure that is the 6 position, at the 6 position that is the NH2 and this position that is the at that 2 position it is the contain acid and at that 3 position it is the having the side chain which is the CH2OCOCH3 may be different in the various analogous and it is the 4th position, 5th position contains sulfur in the ring system, 6th position and 7th position is the amine group which is further acyl side change. By changing R of this nucleus we may produce various analogues of the cephalosporin and at the 8th position this is the oxo group as we already saw in the penicillin derivative, the beta-lactam ring. So cephalosporin is the more beta-lactamase resistance as compared to the penicillins and the mechanism of action is cephalosporins are same as we studied in the penicillin. It show their antimicrobial activity by bactericidal effect and it is the kill the bacteria and by which method it is killed? It kill the bacteria by the inhibit cell wall synthesis. Cell wall synthesis এর যে প্রসেস সেটাকে ইনহিবিট করে এবং ইনহিবিট করা আমরা দেখেছি in the case of the penicillin antibiotic, it is the bind with the first transpeptide that is the responsible for the cross linking and the formation of the strict that is the strict wall cell wall and it is the cephalosporin like penicillin inhibit the cell wall synthesis and produce the bactericidal effect to produce their antimicrobial activity. Okay, so focus the mechanism of action portion, and we find that the cephalosporins, it is the contain a 6-member ring, and so that there is the reduced the ring strength. And because in the previous cases we saw that the penicillin contain 5-member ring, due to the reduced the ring strength of the cephalosporin 6-ring system, that is the second ring system, and it is the less reactive toward the transpeptides, and at the PBB, penicillin binding site, binding protein, and at the PBB portion they interact with the transpeptides and to inhibit the transpeptide and for the cross-linking function. So it's having the special advantage of that because they are at the key position, presence of the group, that is the acetoxy-methyl group, and this is a good living characteristics of this group, and due to their living characteristics of this group, when it is bind, when it is react towards the transpeptide cell OH in the enzyme microbes, and this is the attack at the double bond position of the beta lactam ketonic group and open up the reaction, open up this group, and it is the form here it is a bind with transpeptide enzyme. Here it is bind with transpeptide enzyme, and this is the open at the hydroxyl group. This is the double bond O, and this bond is the converted to the this bond, and this bond is the converted, and by the this bond is the shift from to the this one, and the leaving group is being leave out from the molecule, so that the ring is the here is the ring is the broken, and this is the attached with the transpeptide, and so that and this is the structure is the form, here is the double bond form, and the leaving group is the removed, and so that already attached হয়ে গেছে ট্রান্সপেপটাইড এনজাইমের মাধ্যমে, তো এই ট্রান্সপেপটাইড এনজাইম আর নট ফ্রি ফর the their action, and that is the cell wall for the cross linking of the cell for cell wall synthesis, and thus now that is the inhibit the cell wall synthesis process and to produce the bactericidal effect. So we can see that there is the various substituents at the ring system of the 6-ACA, and that is the main nucleus of the cephalosporin, that there is the 2 position COOH substitution, and COOH means acidic group having the special importance toward the structure activity relationship. At the 3 position we can see that there is the various living group present which can easily remove from the nucleus, and at the 5 position there is the sulfur present, and sulfur may be sometimes replaced by the oxygen or methylene group for, and it showing the some changing effect in their biological effect. And at the 6 there is the 7 position, that is the amine group. Amine group is the acylated, and this is the NaCO, and R by the changing the R of that molecule, and here is the changing of that position at the strip which is the living group present, we can develop various type of the semi-synthetic cephalosporins derivative. Here R is the normally generally for the changing of the RNA, which means the responsible for the antibacterial activity of the cephalosporin, at the 3 position, which is generally responsible for the various pharmacokinetic properties of the drug molecule. So before going to the SAR of the cephalosporin moiety or cephalosporin that ring system, so we classify the various cephalosporin drug according to their generation, and that generation it indicates the spectrum activity of the cephalosporin. And the first generation, starting from the first generation, means that discovered at the early phase, and after that they will modify according to their SAR and optimize the drawbacks which were obtained in the first generation cephalosporins derivative. Let's go to the classification of the cephalosporins, which according to the pharmacology of the by the K.D. Tripathi J.P. publications. So these are the classification of the cephalosporins, various semi-synthetic analogs of the cephalosporins, and it are classified according to the generation. First generation and the early discovered that one, and this example of the first generation drug cefazolin, which is administration parenterally by the IV route, or cephalexin and cefadroxin. These two drugs which is administration through the oral. And these first generation drugs like penicillins, these are the active against the infection caused by the gram-positive bacteria mainly. So these are the mainly against the active against only gram-positive bacteria like various coccus, staphylococcus, streptococcus, and these are the further developed to the second generation, and they produce the cefuroxime, cefoxitin as a parenteral drug, and cefaclor and cefuroxime axetin. These are the as a orally active drug which is the active against the gram-negative bacteria, and less the gram-positive bacteria. এবং এদের যে ডেভেলপমেন্ট হয়েছে এই সমস্ত ড্রাগ নরমালি অ্যাক্টিভ হয়েছে against the infection caused by the gram-negative bacteria. So these are the drug are the second product discovered in the second generation drug, and after they discovered in the third generation by their studying structure activity relationship, and they produce the third generation drug which is the highly beta-lactamase resistance. So beta-lactamase resistant, that is that one which studied in the case of the penicillin, that is the penicillinase. In the case of the cephalosporin, this is the cephalosporinase, and these are the beta-lactamase enzyme which is responsible for the breakdown of the beta-lactam ring, and which converted to their inactive state, so that penicillin in the case of first case and in the case of the cephalosporin, they did not produce their did not exhibit their pharmacological action. So third generation drugs are the beta-lactamase resistance, which is the example of the third generation drug, that is the parenteral category, which is the cefodoxamine in the and ceftriaxone, and in the oral, that is the cefliximine, and that is the cefodoxime proxepine. So in the oral category, we see that there is the drug which is the axetil, proxetil, which is the form in the ester form, and there is some advantages of the ester which taken in the orally after hydrolysis they will release the free drug, and this will release the free drug, and it is responsible for their pharmacological action. So here is the at a 2 position acidic group which is the responsible for the esterification of the drug, and it is produces the prodrug. And prodrug having the special advantages of all over drug, and so that prodrug is the important drug in the case of the medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical chemistry. Here and product is the newer concept and which is having the some specific advantages for the various type of the pharmacological action. And after that, at the last stage, we at the fourth generation cephalosporin derivative and cefepime and cepiridone. This is the example of the fourth generation. It's having the broader broader spectrum activity, broader antimicrobial activity, as well as these drugs are the beta lactamase inhibitor also. So this all about classification of the cephalosporins analogs, and we will, before going to the synthesis profile, which is the important in the medicinal chemistry, the another important of the synthesis profile of the drug along with structure and IUPAC names. Synthesis of the drug is the important of the medicinal chemistry, and like synthesis, there is the another important of the medicinal chemistry, the SAR. Structure activity relationship of any drug or any group of compound, which is important because it can, from this SAR we can understand easily which moiety is the responsible for their activity, which lower the activity, which can increase the potency, which can decrease the efficacy or potency. So this this SAR we can develop the various generation of the drug. Here you can see that is the third generation drug, which is the beta lactamase resistance. So now going to the important part of the medchem, that is the structure activity relationship of the cephalosporin. So structure activity relationship, here you can see there is the some position where can alter the structure of the cephalosporin. The structure means there is a side chain of the cephalosporin. The main nucleus, which is the known as the pharmacophore. So pharmacophore, what is pharmacophore? Pharmacophore is the basic nucleus of any category of the drug, which is the which exert their activity and this category of the activity. So here pharmacophore, that is the second ring system, and more precisely that is the 6-amino cephalosporanic acid. This is the pharmacophore of this cephalosporin analog. And here we can changes the some types. Here is the at 2 position we can slightly changes. At a 3 position we can changes. There is the various type of the moiety we can attach at the 3 position. At the 7th position, the most important, which is the responsible for their antibacterial activity, that is the acyl side chain. And this can be replaced, this can be modified, and for the modification of the antibacterial activity. So acyl side chain is the important, which is the for the modification or alteration of the antibacterial activity as well as the spectrum of the antibacterial activity. Acyl side chain, here you can see acyl side chain is a normally in the like as penicillin, it is also effective against the gram-positive acylation of the amino group is the responsible for the gram-positive activity against the gram-positive activity. So let's see the details SAR of the cephalosporin moiety. So there is a we can subclassify, that is the first important of the SAR, that is the 7-acyl amino substitution. After that we started the C3 substitution. So 7-acyl amino substitution, acylation of the amino group, which is the alter the antibacterial activity of the cephalosporin. So normally you can we know that the cephalosporin moiety is active against the gram-positive bacteria, and further modification will see they are the also active against the gram-negative, and so much active against the gram-negative some cases, then the gram-positive bacteria, and these are the like penicillin. These are this cephalosporin also are also the acid labile and can be degraded by the acid. In the chemical degradation portion, we see that there is this penicillin is degraded by the acid, and here is the bond of the beta lactamase in the open, and that's why that they produce the inactive lactone derivative ring system. So for further cases, next cases here is the some approaches of the 7-acyl amino substitution. One is there is the alpha amino, like we can substitution. So we আমরা দেখেছি যে in case of the penicillin alpha amino group, there is the having the alpha amino and responsible for the resistance to the acid and can resist the gastric acid in the gastric pH, and so that penicillins containing the alpha amino group we can take it at the oral. The same approaches here also be applied. So alpha amino group at the A position, at the C here we can attach alpha dot. So at the alpha position is the amine group, and the alpha dot, that is the hydrogen. So which is the resulting give a acid resistance cephalosporin, and so that we can take it in the oral. And in the case of the at the C position and the alpha position of the C, when it is converted to the oxime moiety, like that is the C double bond N and OH, O, CH2, etc. group is the present at that position. And in the remaining portion, there is the aromatic ring is the present. And here is the it is the attached at the CONH, and the further that is the 6ACA moiety, which is a cephalosporin moiety. So you can consider that is the bulky group at the present at the different ends of the C double bond O position. So it is the Z isomer, we can call that is the Z isomer, and we can also write the oxime substitution of the cephalosporin. At the E isomer. So here is the Z isomer and the E isomer. In the cases Z isomer, it is the produces the beta lactamase resistance drugs. It is the attributed the beta lactamase resistance drug, because the Z isomer here is the produces a steady kinase, and due to the steady kinase, beta lactamase is the not enter into the ring system, and so that there is the no chemical degradation. So this is the important of the E and Z isomer, and Z isomer is the responsible for the beta lactamase inhibitor drug. And another one is the substitution of the aromatic ring. This aromatic ring substitution with phenyl ring, and that is the responsible for the activity against gram-positive bacteria. And while aromatic group is thus replaced by the various heterocyclic compound ring like thiophene, like thiazole, thiophene, triazole, etc. And it is the broader the activity spectrum activity, and means this drugs which containing acyl side chain with heterocyclic compound which increases the spectrum activity and active against the bacteria of gram positive as well as the gram negative bacteria. So these all about 7 acyl amino substitution of ACR, and at a C3 substitution, and at a C3 substitution which is the responsible for the normally generally pharmacokinetic act of the drug, or as well as it is the very metabolic responsible for the various metabolic parameters of the drug. So this at a C3 position we can see that is the react with the transpeptidase, and it is the presence of the living group is the responsible for their antibacterial activity. So various living group, it is the responsible for their antibacterial activity, as well as at the C3 position and of the acidoxy group. Here it is the present is the acidoxy methyl group. So at the C3 position, acidoxy is the replaced, and so there is the no living group, or in case of the small living group like here in the, if the acidoxy group is the replaced, it is the CH3, or it is the maybe chlorine. So small living group, and in case of the low living groups there is the resulting the acid resistance drug which is the resist the against the high acid and stable against the high acid, or antibacterial activity at the also improve. There is the at a C3 position when there is heterocyclic 5 or 6 member ring also are attached at the C3 position. There is heterocyclic ring 5 or 6 member which can observe at the third and fourth generation drug, and এখানে লক্ষ্য করা যাবে যে heterocyclic ring attach আছে, so that improve the, you can consider the improve the antibacterial activity when we can with addition of the heterocyclic 5 or 6 member drug. So this all about the main two, that is the C7 and the C3 position, and remaining at the C7 position may be contain the sum of the this hydrogen may be displaced, that is the methoxy ring, methoxy group, and all in case of that is the alkoxy group. For example, that is the cefoxitin and cefotetan. These two drugs contain at the C7 position another, that is the in the place of the hydrogen, this is the content alkoxy group, and which is the responsible for the there is the beta lactamase resistance. So resist the beta lactamase enzyme. 6 alpha hydrogen is essential for the biological activity. Is the 6 at the 6 position there is the hydrogen is the present which is at the alpha position. This alpha at the 6 alpha hydrogen which is responsible for their antibacterial activity, so as well as they are both gram positive against the gram negative. The derivative where the sulfur at the 5 position, here is the sulfur is the responsible for the antibacterial activity, and when we can replace the sulfur with the oxygen, so when that is the oxygen is the replace the ring structure with the beta lactam fused with the oxazole ring system. So this oxazole with beta lactam, this ring system is the lower the antibacterial activity. So আমরা দেখি, so এক্ষেত্রে বলা যেতে পারে সালফার যখন প্রেজেন্ট থাকবে at the 5 position, they will increase the activity of the antibacterial of cephalosporins, and where the oxygen decrease in that cases. So it is the reverse when we see against the, that is the against the beta lactamase, resistance to beta lactamase, and beta lactamase ক্ষেত্রে দেখতে যে বিটা ল্যাকটামেজ এনজাইমকে রেজিস্ট করে, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা যদি দেখতে যাই দিস পারপাসে দেখতে চাই, সেক্ষেত্রে there is the sulfur present থাকলে there is the lower the beta lactamase resistance, where the oxygen present in the at the ring system of at the 5 position, which is the increase the resistance at the towards the beta lactamase. And The last of the SAR is that is the already I said that is the CAAH, and CAAH, that is the acid is the easily converted to the ester, and ester is the form, and ester is the known as the products, and products is easily orally administered, and after the administration orally it will hydrolyze and it will remove the free drug, and free drug is the responsible for the biological activity. So from this all over SAR we can consider the something as a beta lactamase resistant, that is the L isomer of an alpha amino or alpha dot hydrogen derivative of cephalosporin. Here is the alpha or alpha dot hydrogen derivatives of cephalosporin. In the case of the L isomer is the much more active, which is 20 to 40 fold more stable. So L isomer is the more stable, and the alpha and alpha dot hydrogen in case L isomer is the more stable, which is the stable 20 to 40 times than the D isomer. Addition of the methoxyoxime to the alpha dot position increase the stability. At the alpha and alpha dot position, here is the addition of the methoxyoxime. This group is the responsible. This group methoxyoxime is the increase the stability of about 100-fold. This is the 100-fold increase the stability. Here at the L isomer, that is the 40 to 40-fold, and methoxyoxime that is the about they are resulting about the at the alpha and alpha dot position, it is the produces about 100-fold more active. And another one already I state that there is the presence of the oxime, and oxime there is the E and Z isomer. Already state that there is the Z isomer. Here is the produce, here is the steady interest, so that beta lactamase cannot enter in the ring system of the second ring system, and that's why Z isomer is the more active against the beta lactamase, and which is that 20,000 fold more stable than their E isomer. Z isomer is the 20,000 fold more stable than the E isomer. So that's all about cephalosporins, their introduction and their structure activity relationship. This is SAR is the most important, and in the further classes we'll study about the synthetic profile of the individual drug, their synthesis, and as well as there is the some important SAR is specifically for the individual drugs having also discussion. Thank you all of you.